right, y'all. Welcome to another meal.
Yes!
Where we're eating another meal.
Indeed. We've got rice, bok choy, and we've got, they're called seafood mushrooms. But they're mushrooms. They look like enoki mushrooms, but, and they're in two different types of sauces. One's like an oyster sauce, vegan of course, and then the other one is like, I don't know, like a garlic sauce.
Yeah. So we finna tear this shit up. We got some of this
something like that. And it's supposed to be like a rice seasoning with like seaweed and shit.
I'm about to use that.
Yeah.
We got some of that, some root beer, and well, ourselves.
Yes. I'm only gonna do half of mine because.
Sure.
Fuck! That's exactly what I didn't want to happen. Damn, that smelled like the sea. Okay. It do. Okay.
Y'all ready?
Yep.
All right.
Look at that baby bok choy dripping.
Bok choy is hella good, bro.
Let's see.
Mushrooms look so funny. Look at this shit. Tastes like the sea for sure. With the rice seasoning. Oh, look at the mushies. Mush, mush, meow, meow.
That's a lot of sauce.
Delicious. Y'all ever had bok choy? Hot.
Okay, this seasoning is good. It's hot in here.
Look at that.
Doesn't that look good?
More root beer. What's in here?
No! He thought he was gonna hop up here, y'all.
No, meow, meow. No. No, mister.
There's like a slight spice. I'll be honest, not a fan of the oyster sauce.
What?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm backed up.
Dripping in sauce. It's getting harder to stuff myself as I go on. These are definitely slimy a little bit. Like they kind of slide in your throat, around your mouth.
It is. Whoa. Look. What are you
This cat
doing?
comes to terrorize us all the time.
Oh my gosh.
Look.
Meow meow. You better not eat my food. No.
He said,
The mighty Meow Meow has invaded another meal.
"Oh no!"
I'm gonna burp on him.
Maybe we need to do yet another meow meow. You heard that?
Another
Meow meow. He just blinked. He said, "Oh."
No. Oh. Yo.
Ew! A grain of rice came back up.
All there's left of me is my head. We're gonna be back with another meal tomorrow, y'all.
A better meal.
Uh,
God, yes. Oh my. Oh yeah. You know, while you're at it, while you're watching us, don't forget to subscribe. That helps.
subscribe.
Comment too while you're at it. Shit. Subscribe.
It looks like you're eating a worm. Ew. Show them what you do to us while we're doing videos. You lay right under the camera stand. Meow meow the brown cow. She said.